Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to restore RocketSearch database using script. This is my server information, IP address, this is backup server, and IP address, this is restore server. Installation step manually source code. All operating system is Ubuntu 18.04, RAM 2GB, CPU, disk space, service, RocketSearch, backup, database, and restore. This is support admin, send some message on, and this is my clean installation server, support admin, a message is empty. So now I restored this server into this. Check version and IP address, Ubuntu 18.04 and IP address. This is my restore server, IP address, and operating system. So before execute script, must be collect your backup file from your server. SCP, this is restore backup location, enter password, yes. Now go to backup location, and extract this backup file and show. This is previous date, backup date. This is backup location. Must be copy this directory before execute this script. Now download this script. Set up executable permission. Now execute this command. Wait at least 10 seconds. Must be change your backup directory. Enter your backup directory from restore. This is your backup directory, or you can use only this, or you can use full directory. This is my backup directory. If you run this script from root folder, so must be use full directory, otherwise you can use only this directory. So press enter. Yes. Restore. Step is processing. Yes, done. Now stop RocketSearch service and stop RocketSearch service. Then all is successfully done. Now I check from this RocketSearch service start time at least 1 or 2 minutes needed, and then successfully working. Check this service. Yes, 48 second ago start, but not properly start, so must be wait. Yes, now working. Now we can try. Yes, successfully working, but this log out this user. So now I will try again, login. And then check my message. Must be reload. Yes, successfully restored my all message. This site URL is 20 because this is data is my backup server. Must be change this URL from general tab. Yes, this is one and this is one. Yes, enter password. Yes, change. View log, and this option is change to Rocket Chat stop and start, then change this URL. Stop and start, then wait at least 2 minutes. Yes, successfully change the status after Rocket Chat service stop and start. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.